how to integrate your WhatsApp with Zapier. So you can do this directly in the Zapier website. Just go ahead to your preferred browser and just search for Zapier and log into your account. Once you're there, you could either choose the Add Connection or Explore App button. So choose whichever you'd like. In our case, we're gonna go with this first, explore apps, and then we're gonna search for connections over here and type in WhatsApp. We have WhatsApp notifications and WhatsApp business as our options. If you do press on app connections over here, it's pretty much gonna be the same thing where you press on add connection and then search for an app, and then once you search for WhatsApp, you'll have three options: WhatsApp notifications, and then this one will be alerts by SyncMate, and then WhatsApp business. So choose what kind of WhatsApp integration you want, and then you'll be able to see a step-by-step instruction on how to do so, since it's just gonna lead you from one thing to another. So let's say notifications. You just go ahead and press on connect WhatsApp notification, and then just go ahead and press on that button, and it will automatically directly lead you to a workflow. So you're gonna make sure your WhatsApp is already connected first, and it's gonna ask you later on. To do that much easier, go to this section, which is app connections, and do an add connection, another one, and do the same WhatsApp notification. We did that for the other one. So we're just gonna search for the same thing, which is WhatsApp notifications, and then we'll have this. It's gonna lead us to a different tab where we can connect our WhatsApp account. So we're gonna have to put in our phone number over here, since it will give us an OTP code in our phone, and we're gonna use that to log in and verify that phone number. And then just go ahead and press on yes to continue to WhatsApp notifications to verify everything. And after that, follow a few more prompts, and then your Zapier will be connected with your WhatsApp. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.